It's like a bigger, longer, Wednesday afternoon for me at Halas Hall. I'm just sitting up on this awkward chair, and there's a lot more of you, and it's a lot longer, but it's still the same questions that I've answered since preseason, and it's a little boring, but it's what we got to do.
Catch up tomorrow. Okay. Try to see you before or after. Cool? Yes. Thanks. Well, appreciate it. No problem.
Well, media day is over here, but on Sunday, all these stands will be filled.